Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for being here with me. For today, we are going to be working on resume for creator. You have to know the terminologies of your areas of expertise. It shows your professionality and the skill that you have in your field. It shows that you know about. It doesn't show that you are only doing things and you don't know what you're talking about and you're just sitting here. No, it shows that you have a degree of knowledge in what you are professing. It doesn't matter what you do. This is why even when people talk about the fact that they say things like, I'm an entrepreneur, being an entrepreneur does not equate to being unknowledgeable. Being an entrepreneur does not equate to only working with yourself and you don't have a degree of knowledge. You professing something, but you don't know the term. It's going to make you lose money. It's going to make people are going to look at you as if you're not necessarily, it's not like you're not good at what you're doing, but you don't have the correct, ends into what you're doing. You want to grow in your business. You want to grow in your field. And you're only going to be doing that when you take the time to know each of the steps of your particular field. Are we here?